Hello kids, let's learn some colors. Dark green color, red color, brown color, black color, yellow color, sky blue color, purple color, violet color, pink color. Today we are trying to learn some alphabets. Capital letter, small letter. Violet color. A. A for avocado. A. A for aeroplane. Red color. B. B for broccoli. B. B for banana. Purple color. C. C for candy. C. C for cake. Sky blue color. D. D for dog. D. D for doll. A, B, C, D. A for avocado. B for banana. C for candy. D for doll. Hello guys. Let's learn some colors. Brown color, orange color, pink color, purple color, dark green color, black color, red color, violet color, yellow color, sky blue color. Today we are trying to learn some numbers. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10. Orange color. Number 1. Number 1. Red color. Number 2. Number 2. Light green color. Number 3. Sky blue color. Number 4. Purple color. Number 5. Violet color. Number 6. Pink color. Number 7. Dark blue color. Number 8. Yellow color. Number 9. Dark green color. Number 10. number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.